almost running out of battery. Okay, so I wanted to start recording this vlog a lot earlier, but I started recording and then the little kid came out from next door's garden. So if you guys don't know, our bedroom, the window is facing our neighbor's garden, and so I just like I could not because he was just there by the gate. Looking in? Yeah. Well, not really looking in, he was looking down, but like it's just I can't do it. But anyways, so we just got done recording a video. Since I want to do vlogmas, it's kind of hard since like having a whole like full-time job and everything that I can't record a vlog every single day. I mean I could, but you guys would be bored by day two because I'm just working, I'm just on my laptop. I sit there, I'm glued to my seat and I'm on my laptop. So it will just make for a boring vlog. So what I'm planning on doing is just uploading a video every single day up until Christmas. Maybe vlogs, maybe other videos, maybe Christmas related, all that kind of stuff. But I can't record every single day because it's gonna be boring. Today I am vlogging though. So recording 2 videos today because trying to get as much videos recorded as possible considering that I can't record every day. She has just been sitting in my lap since we were recording. This is how I set up in this flat. So this flat is just a 1-bed flat. Everything that we have is like can be stored in furniture. We have like secret storage and stuff like that because we need it. Like I am right here on a foldable table. Oh, ignore my shorts, I got them from Thailand when I didn't have pajamas. So this is the setup. You got the foldable table which we have to fold back and everything, and just move everything back after filming. If it's dark I would have lights. It's just a big setup and set down, what's the word? Big put away. Huh? So I got my Christmas jumper that I have not worn since my like 2nd year of uni. I remember wearing this for the Christmas dinner, but I don't think I've worn it since. So it's been 4 years since I wore this jumper. We finished filming at 1:30 and today we have to go to Costco. So we have to go to Costco and replace my tires. So I'll talk about that later. It's already 1:30 and it started to get dark. How sad is that? The brightness on the camera is quite high, but isn't that crazy? It already started to get dark.
It's winter. We'll wait for the summer.
Baz is feeding Peach right now. She's just waiting. Hello. Okay. So I am back in my pajamas. So I had this thought, I'm bored. I'm bored, okay? I don't know what to do, so you know what people do when they're bored. Do you remember the first quarantine? No, the first lockdown and everyone started cutting their hair? Yeah, so today I think I'm gonna cut my fringe. You see, the thing is, I'm always having my hair down or whatever, and another reason why I just don't put my hair up, I need something to frame my face. I don't like this hairline. It's not working for me. You see, like, am I receding or am I receding? I'm not really receding. It's just I've had my parting here since I was young, so I guess is there a word for it? Parting loss? Parting? I don't know, but this cannot be sleeked back. I don't mind having my part in here, it's fine. I got little baby hairs there and whatever, but like that cannot be sleeked back, and that's something that always pushes me back, not doing more hairstyles and stuff. You see me with the same hair all the time. It's either this or it's straight. I can't find my cutting scissors. I don't know where they are. I know I packed them from my mum's when I last went, and oh, maybe they are in my bag. One sec. Okay, they're in my bag. I literally, you know what, I was gonna be like, look, I have this cutting set. This is actually my dog's, and I've only ever used the curved ones on her because I literally just cut the inner corners of her eye, otherwise she can't see because her hair just literally covers the eyeballs. I was going to use one of these ones, but anyways, forget that never happened. Ignore that too. You see, that's how desperate and bored I got. Anyways, I had these for I don't know how long because I used to be the one always cutting my hair. Do you want to see my setup right now? It's not, what is the setup? I feel like once I moved into this flat, I'm trying to make do with what I have, and I don't have anything. I'm sat here on the floor with a bin in front of me next to the bin. So I just moved the bin out of the way, but who came behind the bin? is peach. So we got some company over here. So yeah, I haven't actually cut my fringe in so long. I think the last time I cut it was a year ago. Basically what I'm saying is, if I put my hair up, I need to have something just hanging there, and this is too long. It's too long and I cannot. So even if you bring another bit, no, I am just gonna cut this so I can actually like put my hair up, have some updos and stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna do it with this little mirror. Anyways, if you're a hairdresser, if you cut people's hair, if you even know about the world of cutting hair, I advise you to go out, because yeah, I don't I'm not professional, so not professional. Anyway, where do we start? I really should have done this when my hair was straight. My hair is curly, so you know, boredom has taken over, and this is what we're working with. Oh god. Honestly, I'm like winging it, because like what am I doing? I think I'm just gonna end it here. Like, let's just, this length, let's just cut. How long is that? Don't know. Let's just go.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need.
Not too bad. I don't think I did that bad. Not gonna like well, I mean, it's just my fringe, and it's not a short fringe. Not like I'm going full fringe or anything. And I only just cut a little bit, just so when. Ooh. And it's something that I can hide. This is what I used to do. So I used to have my hair, not quite a bit, but when I would have my hair up, it would be up in a bun, and I'd have like somewhat of a fringe. But when my hair is down, I'll just tuck it behind my ear. And I'll do it. Oh my god, that reminds me of uni. That's what I used to do at uni, because when I let it down, sometimes it will come a bit too forward, and I don't want like my forehead all covered. Oh god. This is what I look like at uni. I'm debating whether to frame a little bit on this side, but maybe we already did a little bit too much and we should stop. We should learn how to stop. Because if I take things too far, I'm scared if I can't go back. I think I'm just gonna like slightly curl it a little bit, just so it blends with my hair, because my hair's curly right now. I'm just gonna do this, just gonna clip it back. Ow. I'm just gonna clip it. Ow. What's that? I'm just gonna clip it. That'll do, nothing hurts, it's all good. So I'm just gonna clip it back. I really don't like having like my face, I mean, okay, I really don't like having hair on my face, is what I'm basically saying. If I'm in the house, my hair is out on my face, unless I have to be on camera or like leave the house or something. So we are now headed to Costco. We're gonna go Costco because I need to change my tires in my car. No, but you know what? The one thing that I don't get is that this car had the MOT. Basically, it passed the MOT, whatever, but it said I ideally need to change. Oh my god, the traffic!
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Oh, we never driven at this time.
Yeah. I should have gone underneath.
It's rush hour. It's 4:45. We need to be there at 4. The traffic, I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, anyways, we had the MOT, and basically it said to change the tires as soon as possible. And it's been how many months has it been? We were meant to change the tires ages ago. Like, we were unsure if they like wanted to change the tires to get money, or we actually need to change the tires. To be fair, I feel like I need to change the tires because I haven't changed any of these tires.
The front ones, yeah.
Yeah, and I feel like they've been like through so many potholes. We used to live on a hill, so many speed bumps, everything, and that had so many potholes as well. Never, like, that was the worst for this car. Pothole after pothole, then a speed bump, and then a speed bump, and
yeah, that was a lot of speed bumps.
Yeah, I think that's what ruined my tires, to be fair. I had my car serviced after that, and they didn't mention anything about my tires, and on the whole check thing, they check for your tires and whatever, so it passed all the checks. So I don't understand, like, do I need to replace my tires or not? Anyways, it's been months, and so I just thought, let me just change my tires. Let me get some nice Costco tires. I'm gonna change all of them. They just said I needed to change 2, from when I got my MOT, but I feel like I just need to change all of them. So I headed to
did they say 2?
Yeah, no.
Oh, then they're right. Yeah, they weren't trying to, because I looked at them and the 2 at the back looked fine, but the 2 at the front.
No, it was one at the front, one at the back.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Exactly.
But anyway, this one definitely doesn't, like, you need to change this one. It's too low.
Anyways, we're not car technicians, so if anything, I don't know a thing. So I thought, let's just be safe and change all of them. My mum was just like, yeah, change all of them because you haven't changed them yet. So we're in Costco, handed in my car, and the guy said it'll take 2 hours. The reason why I wanted to go with Costco, first of all, it was so much cheaper getting them tires. Them tires elsewhere were like double the price, aside from that. So I could... So I could shop at Costco while they have my car, rather than like just being stranded there, because it is raining, it's dark, it's wet, it's... We're just in Costco for 2 hours, which isn't bad because Costco is huge. Whee! So we're gonna go through every single aisle, but what is left to do? Oh, barely any makeup on here.
Oh, good.
This is the queue to Costco. I have my new tires.
Oh, yeah.
All fitted in, whatever. Oh my god, that's done. Can stop worrying about my tires now. But now I have to worry about the chip on my windscreen. Not even a chip, it's a chip and a crack. Back. Damn, it feels like we've been gone for so long. So Bads is unloading and feeding Peach. I don't know what this is. It looks like a Christmas card.
What?
This.
Oh, probably.
Got some. Got a card. No, I don't think so. Sure. Oh, thank you. Oh! So I got a little sticker too. I made a video for this company. Well, no, it wasn't for this company. I made a video for my company participating in a Brixton Finishing School fundraiser thing. Oh, so that's cute. So I got this little thank you card. They said they were gonna send something for like people who participated in the video. I mean, I was originally just meant to edit the video, but I ended up being in the video. Anyway, this one's boring, but from Amazon, another SD card. I just needed another one. I've just been filming so many videos that like I film more than I can edit first, if that makes sense. Like I film more, so I use more memory, but I haven't had time to edit it before I could just like discard all the videos.